gentlemen, welcome to our YouTube channel, Man's Tutor. Today we are going to learn about Statistics 2, and from the table below we are going to identify the three basic features of central tendency, that is the model, class, the mean, and the median. Now, here is our example. The question goes, the table below shows the length of electrical wires and the frequency. We have the length in meters and then the frequency in the second row. 5 to 9 is, the frequency is 2. 10 to 14, the frequency is 6. 15 to 19, the frequency is 5. And the 20 to 24, the frequency is 7. Now, we are going to determine the following. The model class is the first one. And we know that from the definition of mode is the most frequent or the frequently repeated item in the data. In this case, the most repeated item is 7. Therefore, our model class in this particular case is 20 to 24. And that becomes our solution for the first question. So this one will be 20 to 24. Why? Simply because it has the highest frequency as compared to the rest. Here we have 2, 6, 5. So 7 is the highest, and this gives us the model class. From there we are going to compute the mean. Yeah, we know the mean of the data. We are going to come up with various columns from the same data. The first one is the class, whereby we have the length in meters. So here we are going to have 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24. And then the frequency of the data F is 2, 6, 5, 9. And then we are going to establish the midpoint because this is ungrouping data. To get the midpoint, we are supposed to add the upper and the lower class boundaries, and then we get the average. So in this case, we have 7. This one will be 12. That is 10 plus 14, which is 24 divided by 2 becomes 12. The next one is 17, and then the next one is 22, because our class size is 5. So if the class size is uniform, you just need to add 5 to the preceding class. From there, we are going to establish summation of, that is a sigma, not sigma really, but frequency multiplied by x. So in this case, we are going to have 14. Here we are going to have 6 times 12 is 72. 5 times 17 becomes 85. And then this one is 7, sorry. 7 multiplied by 22 becomes 154. From there we are going to get summation of f of x. And here we are going to get summation of f. In this case, the summation of f is 20, because this one is 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 5 becomes 13, then this gives us 20. Here we have sigma f of x, which is the total of the elements in the f of x column. And when we sum up all this data, it will give us the 325. Now, from there we can easily compute the mean. We know the mean of the data is given by summation of f of x or summation of f. And this, we are going to take sigma f of x is 325 divided by 20. This gives us 16.25 meters. So in this case, our mean of the data is 16.25 meters. I hope we are together up that point. The next case, we are going to determine the median of the data.